So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our EURJPY. So make sure you subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel so that the next updates we are going to be putting for you guys, you don't miss out on any of those updates. Now, let's start with our trend first and first. Before we take a trade, we need to ask ourselves for this question, which is what is the trend? So basically in the market, we tend to have three movements. It's either market is trending to the upside, or market is trending to the downside, or market is literally ranging. These are the three movements you're most likely going to find, right? And as you can clearly see on our Euro JPY, we are in an uptrend move. It is very clear that market is trending to the upside. This is a strong bullish move to the upside. Now, this is our first high that Euro JPY was able to give us. Then here comes the higher low. Market push up one more time to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Then here is our higher high, and this is our higher low. Market was able to push up to form a new higher high right here, and then here comes the higher low. Market then push up one more time, reacted from this level, which was previous resistance, reacted pullback, which is a pullback, then push up to form a new high. So guys, our next movement on Euro JPY will be a pullback phase. So a pullback phase, which is a little bit of a lower low, a little bit of an higher low. Just that is what you should be expecting. A little bit of an higher low is what you should be expecting. So just a pullback on Euro JPY. Once we get the pullback, then we can now, once we get the pullback, I'm going to give you guys an update on what you should be expecting us on Euro JPY, because there's possibility, and the possibility is still very much there that Euro JPY will continue to push up. So let's see how it ends. So subscribe in order for you to miss out on the next updates.